Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm making a to-do list and bringing you guys along as I get everything on this list accomplished. So I condensed this video down to be only 10 minutes long for you guys. That way you can do a quick clean along with me and also use this video as a timer. Just remember that you don't have to block out your whole entire day to get some cleaning done. Even 10 minutes can make a huge difference in your home. So if you're feeling unmotivated, I hope that you will now feel motivated after watching this video. And if you do spend just a few minutes tidying up, please be sure to comment down below and let me know everything that you got accomplished. So the things that I had on my to-do list today were to unload the dishwasher, clean the countertops in the kitchen, tidy up and vacuum the living room, clean the bathroom, and then lastly, tidy up my bedroom. So first things first, I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm emptying our dishwasher. Our kitchen wasn't too messy at all, but I just thought I'd spend a few minutes real quick and tidy it up. Now I'm emptying all of our silverware and putting that in the spots where it should go. Now this little dish drain that we have right here on the side of our sink, we use it to put all the things in that we hand wash. And so this had dried overnight, so I'm just emptying it. And we just had a few dishes from that morning that I was just gonna throw in the dishwasher. I didn't spend too much time cleaning out the sink like how I would normally do after washing the dishes, because I knew that we'd be filling the sink up later that day and I didn't see any point in cleaning it before filling it back up again. All of our countertops needed a good wipe down from the day before, so I just took a few minutes and did that real quick using some pine sol as my cleaner. And now I'm just straightening up the living room. There was just a few things that needed to be put away. I'm straightening up these pillows and also folding this blanket and putting it back where it goes. And then I'm just gonna get our Dyson cordless vacuum and just do a quick little vacuum job here on the carpet real quick before moving on to the next room. And now moving on to my bathroom, I had some stuff out on the counter, so I'm just taking a minute and putting that away, and then I'm just gonna wipe down the countertops and also the toilet. So I'm just using some Clorox foaming bathroom spray on the countertops, and I'm going to use this little pink scrubber here to scrub the sinks and also the countertops. And then when I finish that, I'll take a microfiber cloth and some glass cleaner, the spray away glass cleaner, and that just helps polish up the granite and leaves the sinks looking really nice. And then I'm using these Scrubbing Bubbles flushable bathroom wipes to just clean the toilet real quick. And I didn't show me cleaning the whole entire toilet because some people think that's just kind of gross, and I kind of agree with them, so I just spared you that part. But I'm just doing a quick little wipe down, and these little wipes make it so nice and convenient to do a quick job on this. Okay, so the last thing on my list was to just straighten up my bedroom, and my bedroom gets pretty messy. I don't have a lot of like floor space or room to move around in here. It's kind of smaller, especially when you're sharing it with someone, but it gets messy really quickly, and that's probably because when I get dressed I pull almost everything out of my closet just trying to find something to wear. You know how that goes. But I'm just straightening up my bedroom, making my bed, putting all my clothes away, and making sure it looks good for the day. So as I'm finishing up my room today, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you feel motivated now, and I hope that you enjoyed this 10-minute timer to do some cleaning along with me. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear all about things that you got accomplished. Please be sure to like this video and give it a thumbs up for more content just like this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.